Hey Artland, happy Easter. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make the Easter Bunny. Now, to start off with this, we are just going to draw a couple circles for the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a big circle like this. And then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another big circle over here for the other eye. Then right here, I'm going to add a big circle and then a little bit smaller one. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Big circle on top and a little smaller one right there. Then I'm going to add a little curved line on each side of these circles. And then I'm just going to color them in really quickly. Now, right here, I'm just going to make a little straight line across. And then I'm just going to put a little V shape on here for the nose. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of curve around. And then another one here just for the little cheeks of the bunny. The next thing you want to do is draw a line that goes down, over, and up for the little rabbit's tooth. And I like to put a little line going down the center. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down and comes back up for the mouth. And then I'm just going to color this in. Then I'm just going to add another little kind of smiley face shape right underneath it. Now right here, I'm going to add a little line that's just going to curve to here. And then I'm going to do another little line over here that's just going to curve. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then another one that's going to curve up to here. And then I want to make the ears. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up to here. And then I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around to here. Then I'm just going to add a little curved line on top. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's just going to come back down for the other ear. I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down and then up. And then another one right here that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to curve back down to here. Now, I'm going to give him a little bow tie, so I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around here. I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and then back up. Same thing here, out, down, and then come back up. Then I'm going to put a little curved line on each side. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go out like this. I'm going to put a little curved line on there. Then I'm going to put a little line here, one here, and then one right there for a little hand. And then I'm just going to bring it back. Same thing here, a little line that just kind of goes up. Curved line for the thumb. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around like this. One here, and then one more right there. Then I'm going to add a little curved line for the hand, and then a line that just comes back here. Then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line down here, and then another little curved line right there. And then I'm going to make them kind of popping out of an Easter egg. So you just want to make a nice kind of zigzag line that goes right across here. And then you just want to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's just going to come back up to here. Then you can put any type of design you want on here. I'm just going to keep it really simple, and I'm just going to put a bunch of polka dots on here. So we'll make some of these kind of different sizes, kind of put some off to the side. Put some smaller ones in here too, just to kind of fill it up a little bit. Now, I want to give them some whiskers, so I'm just going to draw a couple little curved lines right here, and then a couple little curved lines right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon Easter bunny. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And have a happy Easter.